Hey there, Brainiacs. Ever wished your brain had a save button for important stuff? Today, we're diving into memory enhancement, exploring how our brains store information and how to make it stick. We'll unlock secrets to remembering names, dates, grocery lists, and even complex concepts. Get ready to upgrade your memory because things are about to get very meta. Am I the only one that didn't know our brains constantly delete old, unused files to make room for new stuff? But sometimes, our brain's definition of unnecessary doesn't match ours. That's where spaced repetition comes in. Instead of cramming, space out your study sessions. Review the material after short and long breaks to trick your brain into thinking it's important. Imagine learning to ride a bike by just reading about it. Not effective, right? The same goes for memory. Passively reading or highlighting notes is like watching someone else ride a bike. Active recall is key. Close your notes and try to recall the information from memory. This strengthens neural pathways, making it easier to recall in the future. Think of it as a mental workout for your memory muscles. Mnemonics help you remember information by associating it with something easier to recall. From acronyms and rhymes to the method of loci, mnemonics can be powerful allies in your quest for a supercharged memory. Our brains aren't wired to remember long strings of random information. Chunking breaks down large pieces of information into smaller, manageable chunks. Think of it like organizing a messy room into labeled boxes. Suddenly, everything becomes more manageable, and you can actually find what you're looking for. Our brains process and remember visual information more easily than abstract concepts. Creating mental images can be a powerful memory booster. The more vivid and detailed your mental image, the more memorable the information will be. The method of loci involves associating information with specific locations in a familiar place. Imagine walking through your house and mentally placing items you need to remember in specific locations. The next time you need to recall your list, take a mental stroll through your memory palace. Connecting new information to something you already know can significantly improve memory retention. Instead of just memorizing a definition, relate it to something familiar. The more connections you make, the stronger the memory will be. Testing yourself on material is one of the most effective ways to improve memory retention. By actively retrieving information, you're strengthening neural pathways and identifying areas needing more attention. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Sleep consolidates memories and prepares you for new learning. During sleep, our brains replay memories, make connections, and transfer information to long-term storage. Ensure you're getting enough shut-eye to recharge your memory batteries. Teaching others is one of the best ways to learn something. When we teach, we organize our thoughts, retrieve information, and explain it clearly. This active engagement strengthens our understanding and makes it more likely to stick. The Pomodoro technique involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. This structured approach improves focus and prevents mental fatigue, leading to better memory retention. Think of it like interval training for your brain, alternating between intense focus and rest. And there you have it, 11 techniques to supercharge your memory. From ancient memory palaces to modern time management, there's a method for everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which technique you're excited to try. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.